Watch closely and listen up. This is going to go quick. The Gabera jamesonii, a perennial herb that makes perfect for the porch or balcony. Red romaine lettuce. Oh my gosh, you can get so many harvests from this. We've gotten about 20, I think. I stopped counting. When they're wilted, just give them a little water. They will bounce back in about 15 minutes. That's the daisies I'm talking about. Here's some more red romaine lettuce and some red mustard greens. Give them a little water too. They need some and they love sun. Oh, that's the shovel. Make sure you check it out in our store. Ever-bearing strawberries need 6 to 8 hours of sun, but don't go wetting them down because they only like the skinny dip. And make sure you check out that shovel in the store. Look at the strawberry. Did you catch it? I told you you got to pay attention and listen up. It's going to go quick. Back to the daisy. Okay? This daisy can grow up to 2 feet tall and have a spread of 2 feet wide. It is native all over the U.S. and considered a perennial herb. If you live in Georgia, you could just plant that baby outside. You don't need to even put it on the porch. And as far as propagating, you can propagate from cuttings. On to the bulbs and this cactus miracle grow soil that I love to put them in the ground with to give them a healthy start. But be mindful, this particular cactus soil by Miracle Grow is manufactured differently depending on what state you're in. The constituents of the bag will be different. So make sure you read up on the back of the bag and it'll tell you according to the state that you live in. There's my son. I'm coming back to give him a little bit more for these hyacinths that we're putting in the ground. We have both purple and pink. If you caught the YouTube where I showed you how to cut them back when the flowers are spent so that you can save these bugs. You ever got a deal from the big box store? Well, honey, I did, because I end up with about 18 bugs total. These plants we're talking about require moderate commitment. So make sure that you give me a like and go to my YouTube and check me out if you're loving the reels you see. This was Lady Empress. Garden yourselves accordingly.